In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10 using a USB drive in just 5 minutes. Installing Windows 10 via a USB is a handy skill to have, whether you're setting up a new PC or refurbishing an old one. Let's dive right into this easy to follow process. First things first, you want to start by opening up Google search and typing in Microsoft Software Download. You'll land on Microsoft's official download page. This is where you can find various Microsoft software tools including Windows 10. So go ahead and click on the link that says software download listed in the search results. When the download page opens, you'll see multiple Windows versions. Look for Windows 10 and click on it. This will take you to a detailed page about creating Windows installation media. Here you'll be able to download the tool that will help us create a bootable USB drive. Spot the download now button and click on it to get the setup file. Once the file has downloaded, usually into your downloads folder, locate it and double click on it to initiate the process. Depending on your system settings, you might see a user account control window popping up, asking for permission to make changes to your device. Hit yes to proceed. Next, you'll have to agree to Microsoft's license terms. It's crucial to take a quick look at these, then accept to move forward. Afterwards, select the option that says Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC and press Next. Now pay attention to this part. Choose your preferred language, the edition of Windows 10 you need such as Home or Pro, and the architecture either 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your PC's compatibility. After making your selections, click Next. For the media type, you'll have two choices, a USB flash drive or an ISO file. We'll be using a USB flash drive, so select that option. Before proceeding, ensure you have a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space inserted into your computer. With the USB drive connected, click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to allow the tool to download Windows 10 and create your bootable USB. Be patient as the download and installation process will vary based on your internet speed. Once it's completed, insert the USB drive into the target PC, restart that PC and be ready to enter the boot menu by pressing a key like F2, F10, F12, DEL or ESC depending on your system. On the boot menu, select the USB drive as the boot device and press enter. This will load the Windows setup screen where you'll specify your language, time and keyboard input settings, then hit next. Click install now on the following screen. If you have a product key, enter it or choose to activate it later if you don't. Select the appropriate Windows 10 edition as per your license, accept the license terms yet again, and select Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. Choose the unallocated space and press Next. Windows will now begin the installation process. Do not remove the USB drive until it fully completes. After installation, follow along with the final setup steps on screen. Once finished, Windows will finalize settings and your new Windows 10 desktop should load up. And there you have it, a fresh Windows 10 installed and ready to go from a USB drive. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.